Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update.
Baby marwa ka managi, baby marwa ka managi. Baga manek, baga manek, baga manek.
Hi guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you this look out here. This is what the look I created. I hope you can see. So in case you are new to my channel, then let me introduce myself. I am Mohua. I make videos on YouTube, and if you guys are enjoying my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a world to me. I'm finally shooting videos because of some reasons I could not upload any videos, and I'm very much sorry for that, guys. I will be definitely uploading the videos which you guys want me to upload, and I'm very much happy that I'm gonna be hitting 1000 subscribers soon. So please keep subscribing and make me happy like that. And I'm going to hit 1000 subscribers soon, so I'm very much happy with that. Please don't miss to hit that subscribe button as well as the like button. Yeah, let's just get started.
So at first, to prime my face, I'm going to be using this aloe vera gel and going to pat it like so, and then gonna move on to my eyes. I'm gonna be applying this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and then going to blend it well with this brush. Next step will be this foundation, Fit Me foundation. I'm in love with this foundation. I don't know if I ever will be changing this foundation because yeah, I'm just fond of it. So that is what I'm doing, blending it well. Make sure to apply it on your neck as well. Next, I'm going to be applying this powder. Not going to apply it to my face, just on my eyes, because I love how flawless the foundation is. I filled my eyebrows as well, and next I'm going to be moving on to this eyeshadow color. I'm going to apply it to my crease and then blend it very well. Build the color well, take time to blend it. Blending is the key, I always say this. Next, going to apply this color just a little bit on my outer corner of my eyes, just to give a hint of violet color on my outer corner of my eyes. That's why I'm applying it. I really love how the makeup turned out. Next, I'm going to be applying this voste kajal on my eyes. It is a very stubborn kajal, like it is not smooth at all, and I'm going to smudging it to give it a smoky look. It comes with smudger, so that's a good thing. But it was really hard to smudge because the kajal was really, hard to blend. So yeah, still try my level best to smudge it. And then with this brush, I'm going to be blending everything well. You can see here, you can see how the colors are blended with each other. So that's what the beautiness of this look. And here you can see the kajal is little cream because I have applied Lakme Kajal. I did not use the Gala Of London again because it was really hard to apply, So we're gonna do the same step, going to obviously blend it well. And then so I'm applying this highlighter here. I'm forgetting the name, Sivana highlighter, yeah. And then going to apply the violet color on my lower lash line to give hint of color on my lower lash line. And then going to apply mascara. I'm applying this Lakme Iconic mascara on my lower lashes and my upper lashes. You can add falsies as well. I didn't do that because of some reason, but if in case you want to add it, it will look awesome. And I'm applying highlighter on my brow bones as well because it is important step. Then I'm going to be applying this lipstick from Gala of London, I guess, and I'm going to be list the shade number in the description box. And I have also applied blush, Maybelline blush, and I'm done.
Guys, enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it, and I will catch you guys super duper soon. Till then, take care. Bye.